Today in this video we learn how to fix yellow screen problem in Windows PC. So first of all, go to Start and click on Settings. Now in here click on System. Firstly, turn off night light. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. In here click on Display Adapter Properties. Go to Color Management and click on Color Management. Check this box. Use my settings for this device. So check this box and click on Add. Now select ICC Profiles sRGB IEC 1966, this one, and just click on OK. Close this one and restart your PC. I hope by this easy setting this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.